Let us go for the next question. So the question is, find the centroid of the given lamina in bracket shaded region. Okay, what is the first step? What is first step?
सिमेट्री है क्या नहीं देखने का है?
Yes, we have to check whether the object is symmetric or not. So whether it is symmetric?
No.
No.
No. As it is not symmetric, where we will consider our reference point?
बॉटम मोस्ट
At
लेफ्ट.
the bottom.
So we will select this bottommost left corner as our reference point. Then divide the entire object into minimum number of standard parts. So what we will go for?
थ्री पार्ट्स, वन ट्राइंगल, वन रेक्टेंगल, वन सेमी सर्कल.
Wherever you see an inclined line, ओके ना, देखो बहुत सिंपल तरीका बता रहा हूँ ऑब्जेक्ट को डिवाइड करने का. Wherever you see an inclined line in the figure, at that particular place there is definitely a triangle to be drawn. Definite. Okay, again I repeat, wherever there is an inclined line in the object, definitely there will be a triangle there. And wherever there is a curve, wherever there is a curve, there is guaranteed either a quarter circle or a semicircle. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है? जहाँ पर इंक्लाइन लाइन रहेगी वहाँ पर गारंटी ट्राइंगल आएगा ही आएगा, और जहाँ पर कर्व रहेगा वहाँ पर या तो सेमी सर्कल या तो क्वार्टर सर्कल आना ही आना है. ठीक है, बाय दिस लॉजिक मुझे क्या दिख रहा है, यहाँ पर एक कर्व दिख रहा है टॉप पे, मतलब या तो क्वार्टर सर्कल होगा या तो सेमी सर्कल होगा. तो ये इट इज अ सेमी सर्कल. सो दिस विल बिकम माय, लेट अस से, first part, which is a semicircle. Then here I am getting inclined line. So for inclined line, I will join this part. I will make a dotted line here. So you can see by this inclined line there is a triangle. So this will become my second part, and third part will be, if you see here, it is a rectangle. So there are three different parts: semicircle, rectangle, and triangle. So now I will give you, let us say, 7 to 8 minutes to solve this problem on your own. Try it, let it be wrong. रॉन्ग होने दो, चलेगा. एक बार खुद से प्रैक्टिस करो. खुद से प्रैक्टिस करो, समझ में आएगा कि आप मिस्टेक क्या कर रहे हो, और वो मिस्टेक आप नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम में फिर नहीं करोगे. सो लेट मी गिव यू 5-7 minutes टू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम. Then also, I will also solve it with explanation. Okay. Let us start. So with the first figure, we have the radius given to us as 4 meters. So I will write here radius is 4. Okay, so this radius is 4 meter. This is also 4 because it is radius of same circle. Now, area for semicircle we know that it is pi into r square by 2. Now let us go for x bar and y bar. Now we know that centroid lies
सर आपकी
somewhere
आवाज
here.
स्लो आ रही है.
क्या हुआ?
सर आवाज वो स्लो आ रही है.
अच्छा, let us say centroid lies somewhere here. We know that from diameter this perpendicular distance is how much? It is 4r by 3 pi. ठीक है, यहाँ से यहाँ तक 4r by 3 pi, और यहाँ से यहाँ तक कितना होगा? 4. If I consider this as my reference. Now take this reference in our main figure, that is this one. यहाँ पर है. Now centroid यहाँ पर है, somewhere here. Now I need to travel distance from this point to this point. हमारे रेफरेंस से यहाँ तक आना है, तो पहले तो मेरे को इतना x चलना पड़ेगा, यहाँ तक x आना पड़ेगा. एंड हाउ मच इज दिस वन? ये कितना है? ये कितना होगा?
4
4. तो ये डिस्टेंस भी कितना होगा? 4 ही रहेगा, बराबर. सो x विल बी 4. अब 4 मतलब मैं यहाँ पहुँच गया. अब यहाँ से ऊपर जाना है, कितना ऊपर जाना पड़ेगा?
6 plus 4r by 3 pi.
Yes, perfect answer. So it will be 6 plus 4 into r divided by 3. Now for the triangle, for the right angle triangle, again I repeat, for the right angle triangle we know that triangle ka height is 6. And what about base? How much is the base for triangle?
9.
Yes, 9. How you got? It will be 17 minus 8.
8.
बराबर. रेक्टेंगल का विड्थ 8 है, so 17 minus 8 will be 9. So this is 9. Now we know that centroid lies somewhere here, at a distance of 9 by 3. Okay, 9 by 3, that is, and from here it will be 6 by 3, that is 2. Okay, but from which point? From this point. Now this point is nothing but this point here in the triangle, but हमको distance वहाँ से नहीं चाहिए, हमको यहाँ पहुँचना है. बट फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट, तो x में पहले तो कितना ट्रेवल करना पड़ेगा, जल्दी बताओ, x में कितना जाना
Sir,
पड़ेगा?
X11 by 2.
11 कहाँ
8
से आया?
plus 9 by
यस, इट विल बी 8 plus
9 by
3.
3.
8
yes,
plus
8
3.
plus 9 by 3, that means 3. So I will write, for it will be 8 plus 9 by 3, so it will be total 11. Area we already know, half into base, that is 9 into 6. Okay. So by writing x bar, I have reached from this point to this point. यहाँ तक पहुँच गया. अब यहाँ से ऊपर जाना है, कितना जाना पड़ेगा?
6 by 3.
Yes, it is just 6 by 3. So 6 by
2.
3, which is equal to
2.
2. Now regarding this rectangle, for rectangle we know that if it is of size 8 by 6, the center lie exactly here at a distance of 3 and at a distance of 4. From which point? From this point. Now our reference is this reference is both one and the same. दोनों same है, तो कुछ add या subtract करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Directly I will write for x4 and
4
y
and
will write 3. And area will be how much? 6 into 8. So this will become 48. This will become 27. What will be this area?
25.12.
25.1. Okay, let me accept that. 25.1.
0.13.
So we have now x bar is equal to summation of ai xi divided by summation of ai. Now what we need? We need summation of ai xi column and summation of ai column. That means I need summation of this part and I need summation of this particular part. Now give me the answer for this. Area summation
100.13.
100.13. Can someone verify whether it is correct or no?
Correct.
Right.
Correct. चलो ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Then what about AIXI? Summation of AIXI?
5, 8,
Yes,
9.52.
589.92 is correct. AIXI was 589.92. So what will be X bar now? Final answer?
5.88.
5.88. Correct. 5.887 meters. Now what about? Now okay, I will write down formula. Y bar is equal to summation of ai yi divided by summation of ai. Now can someone give me answer what is summation of ai yi?
391.2. 391.27.
391. Yes, 391 is correct. 391.27. So this is 391.27. On solving which I will get what answer as y bar?
3.907.
3.907.
07.
Okay, 3.907. So we got x bar, we got y bar. Finally, I will write that centroid for this shaded lamina is x comma y, that is 5.887 comma 3.907, and units were given as meters. So this completes the solution.